So these guys came in the mail today. Got the Pliers Systainer pliers set from Festool. Really nice grip mold on them for the pliers. Say Festool on them, so of course that means they're superior to anything else you could possibly buy. So I'm not sure who the OEM is on this. These right here look exactly like Knipex pliers that my brother-in-law has. I don't have those here. I'd compare them side by side, but it looks exactly the same, even to the made in Germany part on them. But you've got your I'm just gonna say your cutoffs. You've got your diagonal pliers right here. These are insulated. The rubber over mold feels incredibly nice on these. Then you got some long needle nose pliers with a little extra place in here for some nuts and bolts. Very nice. Again, really nice grip. These are the coolest things. These are wire strippers, but instead of it being, you know, the gauges, you just adjust it right there with this set screw. And see, I'll pull that out and you'll see that it gets tighter. So that's just all the way now. So you can cut wire with it, or you can strip wire with it, and you just set this to the size you need it for the work you're doing. These are really nice. I'm going to like these. I already know that. And then you've got some curved needle nose pliers that of course have wire cutters built into it. These are insulated as well. So very nice set. Comes in your Systainer Gen 3, so that you can take it, pop it with your other Systainers, lock it all together, and be on your merry way.